In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to record macros with Excel. So we can go to File, we're going to go to Options, we're going to go to Customize Ribbon, and we could scroll down and we can select Developer. Once we select that, we can press OK, and now you can see we have our Developer tab. So we can come into Developer, and we're going to do Record Macro. Now what this allows us to do is we could name our macro, so we can just name it macro. We can set it to a key if we would like. In this case, I'll do, say, P, and you can leave a description here if you would like. So now we can press OK, and now you can see it says recording. So once we see it says recording, we could do equals sum, and we're going to highlight these two. We can close that, press enter. We could shift down twice and just do Control D to tab that formula down. And now you can see it's taking a sum of both of these columns. We could press stop recording, as that'll be the end of our macro, and we can now do save script. Now that we have our macro, we could clear this data here, and we could test it. We have it saved as Control P, so we could now execute that now, and you can see it does the sum automatically. If we clear these once again, we could also change these numbers and run the macro once more. And you can see it does exactly what we needed to do. So that'll be all for this tutorial on how to record macros in Excel. And next we'll cover how to implement these with an interactive button.